Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about what's in season for March. I started this series last month and asked you guys if you wanted to see it throughout the rest of the year, and so many of you responded yes and said that you found it so helpful. So I am back again with March's edition, and I will continue it as a series on my channel. Marcus is awake from his nap. He's crossing in front of the camera. So if you hear any noises or see any camera shaking, that's him. We're just gonna try to get through this video as best as we can. Also, little Chloe is having tummy time on the back of the bed. So she is in here too. We're all in this together. Say hi, Marky. Hi. Good job. Just before we jump into the main portion of this video, I wanted to say welcome if you are new to my channel. I upload videos on motherhood, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and lots of fun things. So if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming content, just make sure you hit that red subscribe button and you'll be sure to be notified. Okay, go get busy little one. And yeah, well, let's just get into the video. So my sources are the same again this month. I have my two Martha Stewart food magazines from years and years ago that I'm going to be using as references. And also the main book, which I love, is my 1960s vintage cooking calendar book. So let's just dive right in with that. So the first thing this book talks about is some household tips. And it's not so much spring cleaning, which I usually do a little bit later in the spring, but it's more kind of like what I want to call a spring makeover, where you're just going through your house looking at upholstery and just kind of stitching up anything that is looking a little shabby. Maybe like your wall needs to be repainted, or your exterior needs to be power washed, or you need to start planting new bulbs and cleaning up the garden beds a little bit. Stuff like that, whether it's indoor and out, just kind of more maintenance type things. So it says to give your surroundings a first-class reappraisal, and on a sunny day, go over your house as your best enemy would. Looking at upholstery, like I said, woodwork, the walls, and it says wallpaper, but we don't use that anymore. Well, we kind of do. It's come back quite a bit. And also giving your home a makeover by looking at magazines, and obviously Pinterest now is something that we would use to kind of just freshen up our space. It says take a good look at your surroundings and walk out to the front of your house in bright sunlight so you can see everything. So yeah, I really like that. So I call that give your home a spring makeover, which I'm kind of currently doing that because we just moved and I'm doing lots of home hauls and stuff like that. So I'm just kind of motivated and in the mood to decorate and spruce up the house anyways. But it's not to get confused with spring cleaning, which I will be doing next month, which is like washing inside and outside of the windows and cleaning the ceiling fans, like those kind of jobs. It's more of like a maintenance and makeover. So now let's get into what's in season this month. And this really helped me last month as well, because once I got to the store, I kind of already knew, like, if I saw artichokes, I was like, oh yeah, those are in season. And sure enough, they were a good price, and you knew that they were going to be fresh. And yeah, I just really enjoyed doing this research for you guys as well. I learned so much from the process too. Once again, like last time, I will put on the screen here all the fruits and vegetables so you guys can take a screenshot with your phone and just have it with you when you're out shopping. A lot of them are the same as last month, but there are a few new additions now. So the March red letter foods are onions, lemons, and grapefruit. Plentiful vegetables are beets, cabbage, carrots, celery, greens, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, turnips, and winter squashes. Other available vegetables are artichokes, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, celery root, eggplant, parsnips, peas, peppers, rutabagas, sweet potatoes, and yams. Plentiful fruits are apples, grapefruit, lemons, oranges, and pineapples. So it gives you some hints on buying onions. It says to select onions with hard bulbs, thin necks, and dry crackled skin. It talks about the different types of onions. It says American red, yellow, or white have a stronger flavor, medium size, and a globe shape. Bermuda onions are white or yellow and they have a more mild flavor. Spanish or Valencia are white or yellow brown and they are mild, sweet, largest in size, globe shaped. It says buy for a purpose. For vegetables, so like if you're serving it on the side or it's going to be whole, you want to try 1 to 2 inch diameter American or Bermuda. So I think of those little white pearl onions that are like whole in coq au vin, Julia Child's recipe, stuff like that. For seasoning, yellow and red. Other onion varieties are chives, garlic, shallot, green onions, leeks, and scallions. So those are all in season as well. This recipe book is so dated, so just for your inspiration, I'm going to give you a few recipe ideas from the 60s. Onion pie elegant, fried livered onions, tiny whole glazed onions. That actually sounds good. There's a grapefruit salad, which that would probably be really good. Grapefruit, avocado, and persimmon salad. That sounds pretty good. A lemon scone tort. It's also called an angel pie. Sounds delicious. Sauteed celery roots, celery root and orange salad, steamed artichokes. Oh, I bought those artichokes, so I'm gonna have to try this recipe out. Mushroom stuffing and crown roast of pork. Island style salmon salad has the pineapple in it. And that's about it. Okay, so moving on to the Martha Stewart food. And so in these food magazines, she gives one item that is in season and then a ton of recipes for that item. I'm not gonna write out these recipes in the description box because you guys can go to the Martha Stewart website and search for the titles. So I'm just gonna read the titles for you. And if anything sounds good, go and check that out on her website. So the first thing is something that wasn't mentioned in that cooking calendar, and it is parsley. Parsley is an herb, so it's, I mean, it kind of goes without saying that herbs are like everything's blooming in March, so herbs are kind of in season. So the recipes for parsley are a lot of different salads. There's a cabbage and parsley slaw with capers, bib and parsley salad with anchovy dressing, celery and parsley salad. Oh, almost the same thing as in the other book. Bean, red onion, and parsley salad. And I'll just show you guys a little picture if you guys want to see. So they all look like yummy salads. Then there's a pea parsley pesto with linguine and a crisp pita salad, like that. And that's it for the parsley. That was a lot of great ideas. I'm gonna have to get me some parsley. Oh, I also love Julia Child's parsleyed potatoes are absolutely delicious. So that's also another good idea for fresh parsley. I think this is the in-season item that I'm the most excited about, and it is pineapple. I love pineapple. I love the Hawaiian inspired dishes too, because I love meat dishes to be sweet. So I think that's why I'm so excited about it. So the first one is jerk pineapple pork chops, which sound really good. I've had jerk food before, and I think jerk is like Jamaican. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks really yummy. It looks like it's all grilled too. And broiled sweet and spicy salmon with pineapple, and a chicken salad with pineapple lime dressing, which sounds amazing. Oh, everything this month sounds so good. And then the last thing, oh, pineapple and black beans salsa. I think I'm gonna have to make that. Anyways, like I said, go look online if any of those recipes sound good to you, because I am definitely excited about that this month. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys got something out of it. Let me know if you did in the comments down below. Also, what are you guys gonna do for your spring maintenance and makeover this month? Chat with me about that down in the comments. I have some trim to paint, and I know that the front yard does need a little bit of TLC to get it looking how I want it, so we'll probably be planting some type of flowers or greenery. Anyways, I'm really excited for this month. I cannot wait to try some of those recipes, and I hope you guys are excited about them as well. Hope you guys are all having a great day. If you guys like seeing content like this and you want to see a little bit more throughout every day, I do upload what I'm doing, what I'm eating over on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram for my stories and posts. My username is @JustineMarie55. I'll also have that link down below. Anyways, hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. I'm so excited for spring. I cannot wait for it to be here, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye guys.